Hey collectors, here is a look at the Shogokan modeling project, Mazinger Z Basic Unit, and I would like to thank Rare Fine Toys for this. Link in the description below, check them out. Here is the back of the box featuring the model kit Mazinger Z, and out of the box we will get 5 plastic bags. 4 of them contains the parts to build the figure, and the last one contains the instruction and sticker sheet. Basically, here are the parts that you will build for this model kit: the leg, the foot, the arm, the torso, the hovercraft that lands on the head, and the crotch piece. So these are the parts for Mazinger Z. And here it is, completely assembled Mazinger Z. He is fully posable and he stands only around 5.5 inches tall, which is very disappointing. I was expecting he will be the same size as Voltes 5 and Deimos at 7 inches. Here is a look at the back side, and there is a hole at the back. And I think the use of that part of this model kit is when you get the premium version, wherein there are other accessories to be attached to this figure. Like all other SMP Bandai model kit, this one is superposable. But be careful when you are posing it because some parts tend to pop out, particularly the headpiece. It always detach from the neck connection. And also, this part, the hover or pile glider, I think, it always tends to come out from its landing port when you are inserting back the head. During the assembly, you will be inserting rings at the cut at his bicep and the waist and the ankle. Once you start moving the figure, those rings tend to pop out, especially on the waist area. So you can see it is now detached from his crotch area. Only the bicep are not noticeable. And be careful with the red fin because it's not that thick and you might break it when you suddenly position those arms upward. I don't recommend this kit because of some fitting issues, especially the head and the neck part, plus the size. It's very small for the SMP line for my liking. And for some size comparison, here it is with the in-art The Dark Knight Batman from the Dark Knight Trilogy film, and worthy Captain America Steve Rogers from Marvel Legends by Hasbro. With He-Man from Masters of the Universe Chronicles line by Mattel, and Vash the Stampede from Trigun anime series by Jazzwares. With Skeletor and He-Man from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. With Voltes 5 and Deimos, both figures from Action Toys. And finally with Deimos and Mechando Robot from the SMP line of Bandai model kit. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.